Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to share an Instagram video using your iPhone. So first you have to go to the video that you want to share to others. For example, I'm going to share this video. Next, to share this video to others, we can click on this paper plane icon over here. And then you can share it through direct message to another users on Instagram, or you can also click this share to button so you can share this video to another app in your phone, like using airdrops, mail, WhatsApp, and any other app. And then another method to share this video is by clicking this paper plane icon over here again and click this copy link button, so the link to this video will be copied to your clipboard and then you can paste it in another app. So that's how you can share a video from Instagram to direct message or another app. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you can find this video useful for you. Bye.